Hi guys, I hope you are well. I'm looking to purchase a 3-bedroom detached house in Stevenage, which I will convert into 6 1-bedroom apartments. I'm looking to raise some money for this project, and so offering a learn and earn on this project. If you would like to get involved, or if you would like to earn a really good return on your money compared to what you're earning in the bank, then this is also a great opportunity. The learn and earn opportunity. You will earn an 8% return on your investment, and in addition, I will give you access to everything that you need so that you can help grow your own property portfolio. In terms of this project, I will share with you everything from start to finish, the investment opportunity, or if you would simply like to earn more money than you are earning in the bank, then I can offer a 8% return per annum. I have successfully completed a number of projects which I'll showcase in the investment memorandum. I developed the B4R property investing model, which supercharged the growth of my property portfolio in a relatively short space of time. The B4R property investing model has allowed me to do the following: turn 1-bedroom flats into 2-bedroom flats, turn 2-bedroom houses into 3-bedroom houses, turn houses into flats, turn mixed-use commercial units into multiple apartments, and now turn large detached houses into a number of apartments. The projects I've completed in central London using this model has allowed me to buy on average 2.78. That's nearly 3 properties for every 1 purchased by a normal buy-to-let investor. The project I've completed locally in Stevenage, where I converted a house into 2 flats, meant that I was able again to buy nearly 3 flats on average for every 1 purchased by a normal buy-to-let investor. In the current market, it's really important that you can add as much value as possible. I'm a fully qualified accountant, having qualified at one of the big 4 professional services firm, Ernst & Young, and I've also spent 4 years at Standard Bank, a South African investment bank. I've been investing in property since 2010 part-time and moved into it full-time in 2019 since developing the B4R property investing model. Drop me a message if you would like to get involved and we can arrange a Zoom call, or I'm more than happy to meet in person. The rest of this video will take you through the investment memorandum in more detail, which I hope will answer any questions you may have. Essex Road Investment Memorandum. This presentation contains the executive summary, area, floor plans, pictures, investment opportunity, project financials, risks, and showcases my past experiences and projects. Executive summary. Skyline Assets Limited is looking to purchase a 3-bedroom detached house in Stevenage, Hertfordshire, with a view to extend and convert into 6 1-bedroom apartments and rent out for the foreseeable future. We are looking to raise the investment to partly fund the purchase and the refurbishment of the property. Investors will receive a fixed return on their investment, as well as the opportunity to learn our investment approach in depth. The property is walking distance from both Stevenage Old Town and the New Town. The property is currently a 3-bedroom detached house. The property will be extended to the side and rear and converted into 6 1-bedroom apartments. Let me show you some CGI images of the proposed development. Investment opportunity. To purchase a property, we obtain a short-term loan, 18 months, for 75% of the purchase price of the property from a bridging lender. The remaining balance required for the deposit, 25% of the purchase price, and partly the refurbishment costs, is funded by investors and by Skyline. We expect the property value to increase significantly by extending and converting the property into 6 apartments. At this stage, we will refinance the property onto a long-term mortgage at 75% loan to value based on the new property value. Using this new loan, the loans from the bridging lender and investors will be paid off along with their interest payments. This loan will also release part of the funds Skyline has injected into the project. The remaining funds will be left in the property as equity by Skyline. Timelines. May 2023. We are in the process of obtaining planning permission. So in May, we are looking to exchange contracts and complete the purchase. In May, we will also start the extension and conversion works. In January 2024, we will rent out the property once the works have been completed. And in January 2024, we will also start the remortgage application to release the funds. March 2024, mortgage approved and funds released via the new loan. This loan will be used to repay investors. Returns. Fixed return. We are offering investors a fixed return of 8% per annum. Term length. 18 months. We expect the project to finish in 12 months, and at that stage we will repay investors, but we've allowed for an additional 6 months in case of of any delays. Learning. This project also offers a learning component. Investors will be taught our entire investment approach through online content, mentoring sessions, access to documents, site visits at different stages of the project, and have access to our team of brokers and solicitors. Investment opportunity. The minimum investment per investor required is £20,000. Exit. We expect to start the remortgage process in February 2024 and expect the refinance to complete in April 2024, at which stage we will repay our investors. However, we have allowed for an additional 6 months in case there are any delays. Investors will be repaid as soon as the finance completes. Security. Your loan will be secured by a personal guarantee. Our returns when compared to market returns. We offer very competitive returns when compared to the investment products currently on the market. Project financials. The purchase price is £685,000. The stamp duty at that level is £42,300. There's a SIL payment of £18,000. The refurbishment costs are £350,000. The planning fees are £20,724. The legal fees are £7,500, and the finance costs are £130,071, resulting in total costs of £1,253,595. Once the works are complete, we will refinance at the new value, which is £1,650,000. The mortgage is based on 75% loan to value, so the new mortgage will be £1,237,500. This will release cash of £383,905, resulting in £16,095 left in. Using the new loan of £1,237,500, once the bridging loan of £853,595 has been paid, the resulting sum is £383,905. These funds are released to Skyline and will be distributed to investors, covering their initial sum of £300,000, paying an 8% interest of £24,000. Comparables. We have just completed a project on Julian's Road where we converted a house into 4 one-bedroom apartments. This property is shown by the red pin. The investment property Essex Road is a 30-second walk from Julian's Road, as shown by the blue pin, and therefore serves as the perfect comparable. The 4 one-bedroom apartments were valued at £990,000 on a single title. Generally, a single title value is 10% less than if the property was title split into separate titles. The following slide shows the breakdown of valuations for each individual flat based on the size and the overall valuation of the building. The flats at Julian's Road were on average valued at £247,500. That's the £990,000 divided by 4 flats. But they are on average 100 square feet smaller than the proposed flats on Essex Road, and therefore we believe £275,000 is a very reasonable valuation for each of the apartments at Essex Roads, therefore justifying the overall valuation of 1.650. Risk mitigation. Unable to sell. Our investment strategy is not dependent upon a sale, but rather on refinancing the property, so we do not face this risk. Planning. We will exchange on the property once planning permission has been granted, and therefore there is no planning risk. Project delays. We have allotted an additional 6 months in case there are any delays, and therefore the project will still be completed within the proposed timelines. Prices falling. Market uncertainty is a risk in the current climate, and the effects of falling property prices are covered in the next slide. The property market is cyclical and values may go up or down depending on a range of factors, including political, economic, and social issues. A downturn in the property market could adversely affect the property value. Based on a significant fall in the market, resulting in a 10% reduction in the property prices, the following scenario would apply. In the event that prices fell by 10% and the cash left in is higher than Skyline's investment of $100,000, we would look to sell one of the 6 flats in order to release some further equity in order to repay our investors. Past projects. Julian's Road. This mixed-use commercial property was purchased for £600,000 in November 2021 and subsequently revalued at £990,000 by converting it into 4 one-bedroom apartments in January 2023. Rockingham Way. This 3-bedroom house was purchased for £265,000 in November 2020 and subsequently revalued at £410,000 by converting it into 2 one-bedroom apartments in May 2021. West Hampstead. This property was purchased for £303,000 in May 2020 and subsequently revalued at £450,000 in November 2020. London Bridge. This property was purchased for £330,000 in May 2019 and subsequently revalued at £450,000 in September 2019. Brixton. This property was purchased for £240,000 in September 2019 and subsequently revalued at £320,000 in February 2020. Vauxhall. This property was purchased for £290,000 in July 2019 and subsequently revalued at £390,000 in March 2020. Battersea Park. This property was purchased for £237,150 in December 2018 and subsequently revalued at £320,000 in October 2019. Drop me a message if you would like to get involved and we can arrange a Zoom call, or I'm more than happy to meet in person. Thank you.